Hey everyone, Wanted Apollo here. I don't know if you just seen the first clip, but you know, we clean every single day and we get a lot of grease and grime. You can see it on our walls. Right now I just cleaned this. Really awesome. But now if you look down here, you can see where I didn't clean, right? I'm going to show you this product, guys. I just look at the back of your stove, right? How many of us, right? The back of our stoves. Killer, right, guys? We clean every single day, but there's, you know, how often do we clean our walls, right, guys? We don't clean our walls often. I know I don't. You know what? I clean the floors, I clean the bathroom, I clean the kitchen, I do the laundry, I do all that stuff. But do I clean the walls every day? Absolutely not. But let me just show you this product. You see me spray it. I just so love it. It is just incredible. You know, we don't clean the back of our stove every day, do you? No, I don't. I try to. I don't. But guys, you can see all the gross stuff that comes off the walls, right? That's one thing I love about, you know, using this product right here. It just cleans. It's just, not only does it smell good, but it really cleans. You can hear those dishes. I gotta get them done too. But guys, I was saying today that, you know, each and every one of us, right? You can see, let me just show you this. See this here? Guys, I don't know if you can see my counter, but I'm just spraying this stuff now. It drives me crazy. Doesn't it drive you crazy? Your fingerprints on your cabinets. I don't know about you, but your cabinets, I don't care how many times you clean them, right? Kids come along with, look at this one. Look at this cabinet. See how dirty that cabinet is? We don't clean our cabinets every day either, do we, guys? Yeah, we'll clean in the kitchen. We might wipe them down. But to clean them every day, nah, we don't do that. Look at the inside. That drives me crazy too, guys. How about the inside of your cabinets? Anyway, guys, I've been using this product for a little bit over 6 months. And I just absolutely love it. So I just want to share that with you. Look, I cleaned this earlier, guys. I like the inside of my cabinets clean. Any of you guys got cabinets? I know y'all got cabinets, right? We all got cabinets. Who the hell doesn't have cabinets, right? But yeah, I just love them clean. Yeah, I do have to be organized. Yes, that's another thing on the list. But we can close the door and you'll never see that again. But anyway, I love you guys. I appreciate you. Even your microwave, all this greasy shit. You know, all this greasy stuff. It's just everywhere when we, you know, from the kitchen, right? Fingerprints, from the children, the man, the boyfriend, the husband, whatever you got going on there. But yeah, this product is just fabulous, guys. I love it. I use it in my house. So, you know, I think we're going to start cleaning together. It's so important to clean. Look, this drives me absolutely mental. But guys, you know, I'm just really passionate about getting your toxins out of your home and using something that really works. So I love you guys. Have a great day. That's my first product demonstration. So have a great day. Bye.